What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to Cerruti Auto. My name is Nick, and in today's video we're going to be taking a drive in my Mustang. It is finally nice here in Pennsylvania. It's been cold and icy the past few months, and today touched 60 degrees, so we're going to go out for a nice little drive, get the car washed, put some fuel in it. That's going to be the extent of this video, so if that's something you guys want to see, please make sure you stay tuned. Like I always say, please subscribe and like. It doesn't cost you anything and I'd really appreciate it. But just like that, let's get this video started.
Use the middle lane to merge onto I-76 east toward US 202. US 202 south and Swedesburg Road toward Westchester. Then keep left to merge onto US 202 south.
Sunnier on my way to go pick my car up, but seems like it's kind of getting a little cloudy, which is to be expected this time of year. So we're about to go wash the car, do a quick wash. I will throw a little time lapse up to that, and then we're gonna get back on the road, grab some gas, and then keep the drive going. that is going to wrap this video up. I had an absolute blast taking the car out today, getting everything up to temp, getting the tires warm, getting some fuel in it, washing it. Overall, it was just a lot of fun, and I cannot wait for the weather to finally start getting warmer. I have a feeling it's going to get a little bit colder again soon. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And just like that, I will check you guys in the next one. Peace.